What is going on, everyone? This is Dillon from WeTheCoasters. We're checking on in back at Busch Gardens Tampa. A lot of updates have came on by since the last video, and a lot of new things are starting to pop up, as well as what's possibly happened with Skyride. It's actually testing for once. We are here on a Tuesday here in December, which I cannot believe it. I know, Tuesday. That's rather weird. Today is December 12th, 2023. And we're going to see everything that's going to go on by here at Busch Gardens Tampa. And of course, we're going to try to finish up on the rest of our food when we have for the Christmas town for Busch Gardens Tampa. So without further ado, enjoy today's featured presentation where Mariah Carey's going to be yelling in the background. Now, the weather right now is in about the low 60s, but eventually will warm up to 70 degrees. So that's interesting, to say the least. Iron Gwazi, I can already tell you, is so dead. They have 2 people in the front row only. I don't know if it's because it's closed right now and they're testing it, or if that's just the line in general, but if so, oh my goodness, that's crazy. So we're gonna get a couple rides on Iron Gwazi right now. Cannot wait to ride this again. I love this thing. Let's go do it. Alrighty, 3 rides on Iron Gwazi to start off the day today. Let me be the first to say though, it is obviously running a little slow because it is morning, and well, the ride did warm up when we got onto the ride. But also, they are running 1 train operation, so by the time you see this video, it should be back to 2 trains. So I do want to forewarn you that if you are coming to Busch Gardens, around the timeline I was there. So thought I'd warn you in advance there. Skyride. We are over by the station near Cheetah Hunt, and just want to show you guys real quick because Monday, when making this video, so 2 days before, it was actually testing, as well as a few other days prior. And then here you can see here, the new sign. Skyride testing is currently underway. And they mentioned the BuschGardens.com for any updates. Now this has been going on, I believe, starting Saturday, and then also happened Monday. So maybe if we'll be lucky, we will see it there. So if we see it testing, I'll point out and show you guys when we do. But this is great news for people who want to see this badly, because this ride has been long overdue wanting to be reopened. And I can imagine riding the Skyride and getting some views of Seretti Flyer and the new coaster it's also coming on out soon, which is Phoenix Rising. So fingers crossed, we're going to see this open very, very soon. Hopefully before Christmas. I also want to show they do have a new logo for it too, because where the Y and the R are, there's a look of a giraffe that's there. So definitely a new look to say the least. And we have new cars that are painted too. So I don't think I've shown this more recently, but they have a new lemur over here, which is Fizz. He was born on May 8th, 2023. Let's see if we find him out here today. So I don't think you can see my camera, but he's kind of more right over here, right where I'm pointing the finger at. And he's right by where the pole is, and it looks like he's just chilling up there in the sun, getting some sunlight on him. So he's kind of more like right over here in this direction. You kind of can see him where like the head's got to turn a little bit, but he is around that direction there. So this is when you leave the area and you're near the Nairobi train station. It's like they're doing a little bit of work over here. It's like new groundwork over here, because you can see how different it is over here what we're walking on. And they've also painted this area up. So it looks like they're doing some actual new pathway to walk upon, which that's good. It's only a little bit, which, you know, you can tell where they're doing the work on. So I feel like they're going to do work around this area next, and then they're going to like open this up. So that's good to see that they're doing some maintaining on the pathways here. That's good. So I just wanted to take a quick little break and try out the new Mexican street tacos over here. So I got steak and cheese on mine with rice and beans. Now I have a pass holder discount. It originally was $18.99, but then it was like $17.50 after discount. So it does help out, but man, those prices suck. So I'm gonna try them. I'll let you know how it is. Over here is the wall that is covered behind where the construction is for Phoenix Rising, the new roller coaster that's going to open in 2024. Here's a banner, by the way, showcasing Phoenix Rising. Now, they haven't shown any trains or any animation POVs yet or anything in that particular, just concept art for the time being. But as you can see here, they're going to have a brand new entrance area and everything else in there. And this is going to have onboard audio. It's going to be like a family suspended coaster, but by B&M in a way. In a way. Like, look at this thing. It's going to be unbelievable. Now, of course, the speeds are up to 44 miles per hour with a height requirement of just 42 inches. It's a perfect adventure for families. So, really good to see how Busch is going to help out the families here, the family coasters, but I hope a little more investment in the family area there will definitely come into fruition. because of course the only area we can do stuff with the families is over by Sesame Land for the kids. And because of this, take a look. This is going to be with the entrances for the carousel, which you can tell a day like today, well, no one is here riding it. Maybe a few people, but not a whole lot. So be warned if you are coming to Busch. So I don't want to go too deep on the camera here, but you can tell from here, the lights used to be over here in this side. And you can tell they have moved the lights over to where the flamingo area is. But here's a look at this area. I don't know what they'll do here though. It's kind of weird how it's been sitting like this, and obviously when the holidays come, they would open this up, but this year, that's not the case. So I wonder what's going to happen with this area. I'm curious. Kumba, haven't ridden this in a while. Just got off the ride not too long ago. It was a walk-on basically, and got to do front row in the very left seat. It ran pretty decent. Had a couple of little side-to-sides, but nothing like that'll be terrible or whatnot. But did want to say it ran fairly good. Fairly good. Again, to be fair, I rode the front. I rode on the very left side, but still not bad. So moving on. Conga River Rapids. It's been closed for about a few weeks. You're probably wondering, well, what happened? Well, there's been a sinkhole that's been formed somewhere around the ride within the back area over here, I'm sure. I think it was like a 3-foot sinkhole if I remember correctly. So for right now, it is closed, and they are working on that area and getting it refurbed and all. So that's a shame. The weather's decent, but not good enough to ride. But still, definitely the last thing they would ever expect on a ride like this. So last time we were here, this was all boarded up and closed off. Today, it's open. So let's go inside. So I'm only about 2 steps up, and probably the best I can do. You can hear a little echo because I'm inside the viewing area where you can see the tigers. And it looks like the tiger is actually here. It's doing something. I'm not too certain. Let's see if I can do one more step without hitting my head. Okay, yeah, here we go. Looks like he's enjoying a meal there. I'm not sure what, but something. But it's cool to see him out here for once. That's awesome. Now the sun is starting to go down a bit, but I do want to show they've been doing a lot of work around the Skyride within the station in Stanleyville. And then I don't know how well you can see it. Mainly because the sun glow, you probably won't be able to see it, but there is a cabin right in there. It's the yellow cabins that are over here. More of the cabins are over by where Cheetah Hunt's at for that station, but there are a few there though. Looks like they have got the bathrooms in this area also fixed and renovated, so just to let you know, if you're ever near Conga River Rapids heading towards Jungle or vice versa, they are back open, so just letting you guys know. Tigress, currently a 5-minute wait. It's a walk-on over there, or probably a station wait, so that's good to see though. The wait time for Shikram, 15-minute wait. That's decent, but I feel like it's running one train operation, so that's kind of not good. Alright, kind of after walking around, eating a few things and all that, our next ride we'll be doing a Seretti Flyer. They got both sides open for once. That's awesome. So, probably the best ride to do right now since Iron Gwazi has got a ridiculous line with one train operations. So let's get on Seretti Flyer. Iron Gwazi. Right now it's a 30-minute wait for a one train operation. Man, if only they had 2 tonight, but oh well, it happens. I'm not upset. It's just, you can win and choose and everything, but this is not the one, unfortunately. On the flip side, all the lights around here look beautiful, I'll tell you that, especially in Iron Gwazi's plaza here. The green, a little bit of blue and purple, very nice. So if you ever come around here and take some pictures and videos and all that, it is absolutely beautiful here. And of course, the lights, they're changing from red to green in some certain areas there. It's pretty neat sceneries. Well guys, that's going to do it here at Busch Gardens Tampa. What a fun little trip that was here. Nothing too crazy, just here to check out a few things. Hoping we were going to get some coverage at the Skyride, and well, no coverage at the Skyride, but we showed you they are doing some progress, a lot of progress. But we did show you the cabins are in the station. And of course, like I said from before, they've been testing the last few days, which is good. So as far as when it opens up, that's to be determined. Hopefully by the next time we come here, we should be able to see it open or at least test. Fingers crossed. But overall, not bad of an event. And we got a few rides at Iron Gwazi too. I do want to mention, probably by the time the video does come out, Iron Gwazi will be back on 2 trains, and that will be good because, man, Iron Gwazi on 1 train, that is brutal. Even on a Tuesday, that sucks. But hey, man, it is what it is. So that is it for me at Busch Gardens Tampa. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, hit that bell notification if future uploads. Follow us on all of our socials, our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Threads. You know what to do. Check them out, follow, and subscribe. Until then, this is Dillon from WeTheCoasters signing off at Busch Gardens Tampa. Peace.